Hello everyone, welcome to the session. In this session, we are going to discuss few things related to JavaScript module. What is package in JavaScript? What is module in JavaScript? And the comparison between module and package. So let's begin our session. What is package? A directory or folder which contains a package.json file is called package. Let's see example of package. This node.js underscore test is the sample project which I created, and you can see one package.json here. This so this node.js underscore test is a package because it is having package.json. So what is package.json? The file or JSON file which contains the information about the package, the dependencies, the author, or we can say the main entry point of the package. The name of the package means all the details, metadata about the package. Here you can see one folder called node underscore modules. So this is the folder which contains all those packages which are downloaded from npm registry. So you can see this contains one package called upper hyphen case. So this I downloaded from npm registry, and this is having one package.json. So this is a package. So this is example of the package which we downloaded from npm registry. What is module? A module is any javascript file or directory that can be loaded by the node.js require function or ES6 import. There are different types of module which you would come across. The simplest module you would see is the JS file. For example, test.js. So this could be a module because you can load this JavaScript file using these two methods. And another type of module you will see a folder having the package.json, and this package.json will have a main field. So this kind of module you will find when you will download package from npm registry. You can also create this kind of module. Let me show you the examples of these modules. So example of first module is this test.js. I have created this test.js, and there is one function called test. I am returning this value and I have exported, and this module I am using here. Here you can see. So here I am loading this module, this function, and I am using this function here. I have started my server. Let me refresh this. Yeah, you can see this value is coming, which is being returned from my module. This is how you can use the simple JavaScript as a module. Now let's see the example of second module, the folder having the package.json, and there should be one main field. One package I downloaded from npm registry, that is upper hyphen case. So it is used to convert the string into uppercase. So here you can see this I've downloaded. It's present under node underscore modules, and let's go to the package.json. So it is having package.json, and let's go to the main field. So it is having the main field, and main field is having the entry point of this package. So it is pointing to this JavaScript dist slash index.js. So let's go to the dist folder, index.js. So this is the JavaScript which is being pointed by this module. Basically, when we will load this module, it will return this JavaScript, all the members of this JavaScript. So this is how the module with package.json looks like, and module with simple JavaScript look like. Now let's compare module and package. Number of times we use package name instead of module. First point is any folder or directory which is having package.json is called the package. Any folder or directory which is having package.json is called package. What is module? Module can be any JavaScript file or any folder which can be loaded using the require method of Node.js or the import statement in ES6. So module is something which could be loadable using these two methods, require function of Node.js and import statement. Second is there are many modules which can contains the package.json, and those modules are also called as package, and that's the reason we use name package instead of module for those modules which are having package.json. Just to mention, whenever we download any module from the npm registry, it will have the package.json, because whenever we publish any module in npm registry, it is mandatory to have package.json with that module. So you will find whatever module you are downloading from npm registry, those modules are having package.json within the module folder. Let me show you the example. I have downloaded one module called upper hyphen case, and you can see it is having one file called package.json. That's why we can call this upper hyphen case module as a package. Third point, it is not necessary that all package are the modules. Only those package can be considered as a module which can be loaded using these two methods, require function of Node.js or import statement of ES6. Also, it is not necessary that all modules are package. Example, module called test.js. This is a module, but it cannot be considered as a package because it does not have the package.json. But any module which is having package.json is called package. So these are the few points related to module and package. That's all for this session. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.